Fitting the child car seat into the vehicle with the Isofix system. Pull the unlocking handle of the Isofix system externally. While keeping the handle pulled, pull out the Isofix system completely from the rear of the backrest. Ensure that the system has been pulled out as far as possible. Push the two red buttons of the Isofix connectors inwards and remove the two protective caps. Recline completely the car seat and place the two caps into the appropriate compartment, located between the base and the seat. Store the caps carefully, since they are indispensable for reinserting the Isofix system into the base when the system is not in use. Place the child car seat onto the vehicle seat, following the recommendations provided in the instruction manual of your vehicle. Insert the two Isofix connectors into the corresponding Isofix locking devices located on the car seat, between the backrest and the seat, until a click is heard. Check that the two indicators are green. Push the child car seat firmly against the backrest of the car seat to ensure maximum adherence. The installation of the child car seat is complete only by fitting the top tether. Please refer to the instructions booklet of the vehicle to identify the locking point of the top tether of the child car seat. This locking point is indicated by a special label. After identifying the locking point, connect the hook of the top tether to it. Adjust the length of the top tether belt, pulling the strap firmly to tension it correctly. The belt is tensioned correctly when the indicator located on the strap is green. The position of the locking point may change in each vehicle. Insert the top tether between the top part of the backrest of the car seat and the headrest. Never insert the top tether above the car headrest. Before seating your child in the child car seat, press the harness adjustment button and, at the same time, hold the two child car seat harnesses under the shoulder straps and pull them in your direction to slacken them. Unfasten the buckle of the child car seat harnesses by pressing the red button and pull the harnesses in an outward direction. Now the child can be placed in the child car seat. Position the crotch strap correctly. Take the harnesses, overlap the two buckle straps, and push them together firmly inside the buckle slot until a click is heard. To uninstall the car seat, loosen the top tether by pressing the appropriate button, then disconnect the hook. Pull the Isofix system unlocking handle outwards, and whilst keeping it tensioned, lift the child car seat away from the vehicle seat until it disconnects from the Isofix system. Push the two red buttons inwards and release the connectors from the corresponding Isofix locking devices located on the car seat. Remove the two previously stored caps from the compartment between the seat and the backrest and reinsert them in the related Isofix connectors, paying attention that the two ends are facing inwards. Push the Isofix system inside the base of the child car seat, inserting it completely into the base. The height of the headrest and restraint harnesses can be simultaneously adjusted to 6 positions by pressing the button located at the rear. To adjust them correctly, the headrest must be fitted so as to allow that the harnesses come out from the backrest at the height of the child's shoulders. The child car seat can be reclined to 5 positions. To adjust the inclination of the child car seat, pull the lever located under the seat towards you. The child car seat's fabric cover can be removed and cleaned. To remove the cover, it is necessary to press the restraint harness adjustment button and at the same time hold the two harnesses of the child car seat located under the shoulder straps and pull in your direction to loosen them. Unfasten the restraint harness, pressing the red button on the buckle. Remove the cover starting from the reclining button at the bottom. Release the press studs located in the center of the backrest, then remove the seat fabric from the child car seat. Repeat this procedure for the other strap. Remove the seat fabric cover from the side and the top. Remove the headrest cover by releasing the buttons on the back.